Today we unveil the 5 zodiac signs destined to hit the jackpot till the end of September 2024, as foretold by the great Nostradamus. The stars whisper of unexpected riches, of fortunes won and destinies transformed. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the Mystic 12 for more celestial insights. The cosmos awaits, and we shall guide you through its mysteries. Aries, the first sign of the zodiac, the fiery pioneer. The courageous leader, you are the blazer, the one who charges ahead where others fear to tread. Your spirit is indomitable and your energy is boundless. The stars align in your favor this September. The celestial bodies are orchestrating a symphony of fortune just for you. The universe is setting the stage for a period of unprecedented prosperity. Look to the skies, Aries, for they hold the promise of a golden dawn. The heavens are whispering secrets of success and abundance. Pay attention to the signs, for they will guide you to your destiny. An unexpected windfall is coming your way. A stroke of luck so profound it will leave you breathless. This is not just a fleeting moment of fortune, but a significant turning point in your life. This is no mere coincidence, no random act of faith. The universe has been meticulously planning this moment, aligning every star and planet to bring you this gift. This is the hand of destiny guiding you towards the prosperity you were born to claim. Embrace this moment, for it is a rare and precious opportunity. This windfall may manifest in many forms. It could be a sudden financial gain, an unexpected opportunity, or a new venture that brings you wealth. Perhaps a long-forgotten investment will suddenly bear fruit, bringing you returns beyond your wildest dreams, or a business venture will reach new heights of success, catapulting you to a new level of prosperity and recognition. It could be an inheritance from a distant relative, a legacy that has been waiting for the right moment to reveal itself, or a lottery win that defies all odds. A stroke of luck that changes your life in an instant. Whatever form it takes, this financial blessing will arrive unexpectedly like a bolt from the blue. It will be a moment of pure magic, a turning point that you will remember forever. But remember, Aries, fortune favors the bold. You must be ready to seize the opportunities that come your way. Do not shy away from opportunities that present themselves. Be vigilant, be proactive, and be ready to act when the moment arrives. Trust your instincts, take calculated risks, and be prepared to see the moment when it arrives. Your courage and determination will be your greatest allies. The universe rewards those who are brave enough to claim their destiny. Your bravery and boldness will be the keys to unlocking your fortune. Prepare yourself, Aries, for a September unlike any other. This is your time, your moment to shine. The cosmos is conspiring in your favor, aligning the stars to bring you abundance and prosperity. The universe is on your side, working tirelessly to bring you success. Embrace the change, welcome the unexpected, and watch as your wildest dreams begin to manifest before your very eyes. This is a time of transformation, a time to embrace your true potential. The golden fleece awaits, Aries. This mythical treasure is within your reach, a symbol of the prosperity and success that is destined for you. Reach out and claim your prize. The time is now, the moment is yours. Seize it with both hands and let your destiny unfold. Taurus, the steadfast earth sign, known for your patience, your practicality, and your unwavering determination. You are the rock upon which others lean, the foundation that supports those around you. You have toiled long and hard, sowing seeds of prosperity with unwavering dedication, each seed planted with care, each furrow plowed with purpose, all in the hope of a bountiful harvest. The stars have watched us, and they have heard your prayers. They have seen your struggles and your triumphs, your moments of doubt and your unwavering resolve. September brings with it the radiant glow of the harvest moon, a time of abundance and reward. This celestial event marks the culmination of your efforts, a time when the universe aligns to bring you the fruits of your labor. Your patience and perseverance will finally pay off. The fields you have tended so carefully are now ripe with the rewards of your hard work. A significant financial gain is on the horizon, a testament to your unwavering commitment to your goals. This is not just a windfall, but a well-deserved reward for your diligence and foresight. Like a farmer patiently tending to their crops, you have nurtured your dreams, watered them with sweat and determination, and shielded them from the harsh winds of doubt. Every step you took was a step towards this moment. Now the time has come to reap the rewards of your labor. The harvest is plentiful, and the satisfaction of a job well done is yours to savor. This financial gain will not come as a surprise to you, Taurus. You have seen it coming, felt it in your bones, and now it is here. It is the culmination of your hard work, the fruit of your unwavering efforts. Every coin, every grain is a testament to your dedication. It is the universe acknowledging your dedication and rewarding you with the material security you so richly deserve. The stars have aligned in your favor, and the heavens smile upon you. But this is not a time for complacency, Taurus. The journey does not end here. It is merely a new beginning. Use this newfound wealth wisely. Let it be a foundation upon which you build even greater things. Invest it, grow it, and use it to build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. Let your wealth be a tool for growth and stability. This is your opportunity to create a legacy of prosperity, one that will endure for generations to come. Your hard work will not only benefit you, but also those who come after you. The harvest moon shines brightly upon you, Taurus. Its light is a beacon of hope and a promise of abundance. Embrace the abundance that is your birthright. Let it fill your heart with gratitude and your life with joy. Leo, the radiant fire sign, the natural-born leader, the charismatic soul, who lights up every room. Your presence is magnetic, drawing people towards you with an irresistible force. You are the heart of any gathering, the one who inspires and uplifts those around you. September brings a surge of cosmic energy your way, a wave of opportunity that will crest and break with the force of 1,000 suns. This is not just any wave, it is a tidal force that will sweep through your life, bringing with it the potential for profound change and growth. Your boldness and bravery will lead you to a lucrative opportunity. This is a moment that calls for courage and decisiveness, a chance to prove your mettle and showcase your strengths. Embrace it, Leo, for it holds the key to unlocking a new level of financial success. This opportunity is not just about wealth, it is about unlocking doors that have long been closed, revealing paths that were previously hidden from view. This opportunity will not be subtle, Leo. It will announce itself with a roar, demanding your attention and challenging you to rise to the occasion. It will roar into your life with the force of your nam sake, demanding your attention and challenging you to step into your power. This is a call to action, a summons to embrace your true potential and to act with the confidence and authority that is your birthright. It may be a business venture that ignites your passion, a project that aligns perfectly with your vision and values, a creative project that captures your imagination, allowing you to express your unique talents and ideas in ways that resonate deeply with your soul, or an investment opportunity that promises to multiply your wealth. This could be a chance to grow your resources, to build a legacy that will stand the test of time. But remember, Leo, fortune favors the brave. It is those who dare to take risks, who are willing to step out of their comfort zones, who ultimately achieve greatness. Do not let fear or doubt hold you back. These are the enemies of progress, the barriers that stand between you and your dreams. Trust your instincts, follow your heart, and be prepared to take a leap of faith. Your intuition is a powerful guide leading you towards the path that is meant for you. The universe rewards those who are bold enough to seize their destiny. It is in the act of reaching out, of daring to grasp what seems just out of reach, that we find our true strength. This is your time to shine, Leo. The stage is set, the spotlight is on you, and the world is waiting to see what you will do. Embrace the challenge, step into the spotlight, and watch as the world marvels at your brilliance. The golden opportunity awaits, and it is yours for the taking. Seize it with both hands, and let your light shine brighter than ever before. Scorpio, the enigmatic water sign, the intuitive detective, the master strategist. September unveils a hidden path, a secret passage leading to a treasure long buried. Your intuition and strategic thinking will guide you to a hidden treasure, a financial reward that goes beyond mere material wealth. This treasure may not be immediately apparent, Scorpio. It may be hidden in plain sight, disguised as a challenge or an opportunity that others overlook. But your sharp mind, your piercing gaze, and your uncanny ability to see through deception will guide you towards it. Trust your instincts, Scorpio. Pay attention to the subtle signs and synchronicities that the universe is sending your way. That chance encounter, that unexpected email, that sudden flash of inspiration, these are the breadcrumbs leading you to your reward. This treasure is not just about financial gain, Scorpio. It is about discovering a deeper truth, unlocking a hidden potential within yourself. It is about realizing your own power and using it to create the life you were born to live. The universe is whispering its secrets to you, Scorpio. Listen closely, follow your intuition, and claim the hidden treasure that awaits. Capricorn, the ambitious earth sign, the master builder, the relentless climber. September marks a significant milestone in your journey to the top. Your hard work and determination will be rewarded with a substantial financial boost, a testament to your unwavering commitment to your goals. Like a mountain goat scaling a treacherous peak, you have navigated the challenges and obstacles on your path with unwavering determination. You have never lost sight of your goals, never wavered in your commitment to success. Now, Capricorn, the summit is within reach. The financial reward you have worked so hard for is finally within your grasp. This is not a stroke of luck, but the culmination of your tireless efforts, your strategic planning, and your unwavering dedication. But this is not the time to rest on your laurels, Capricorn. Use this financial boost wisely, invest it, grow it, and use it to build a secure foundation for your future. This is your opportunity to create a legacy of success, one that will inspire generations to come. The universe rewards those who dare to dream big and work tirelessly to achieve their goals. Congratulations, Capricorn, you have earned your success. These are the 5 zodiac signs that will hit the jackpot in September. The stars have spoken their message clear and bright. Remember to subscribe to the Mystic 12 for more revelations. The cosmos is vast and ever-changing, and we are here to guide you through its mysteries. See you next time.